Hello guys, in today's video we will learn some customized view option in Excel. When you need to work with multiple worksheets and compare data among them, this can make it difficult to keep track on all the different worksheets at the same time. You have to keep switching tabs for that. So fortunately Excel offers a simple solution to this problem, stacking your open windows. So guys, as you see in here, I have three active worksheets and I need to compare data between them. So first of all, have to go to view tab. Okay. Then go to arrange all. So Excel gives you a four option, right? There is tiled, horizontal, vertical, cascade. Okay. So first of all, we try the tiled view. Okay. Then select the tile tab and click OK. So as you seen here, Excel create a fantastic view of all three worksheets of active my worksheet, right? And I can easily compare data between them, and even I have edit with the data, right? So as you see, there's a tile view. Okay, as you see, I can easily drag down also. We can easily edit the data between them. Okay, and the second option is that there is a C. Second option is horizontal view. If we click and then OK, then it will create a horizontal view. Okay, I think it will not like properly. So we need to go to another option. Like third option is vertical. This is my favorite tab. Okay, then click OK. Right, then you see there is a three active worksheet. Okay, and Excel create a three Excel worksheet together, and we can easily see our data, right? And work with work with them, right? And the last one option is, as you see, the cascade view. Okay, as you see, there is a three worksheet behind one's worksheet, right? Okay, but we working in vertical because this is my favorite tab, right? Okay, then you can see there's three worksheet, and easily we can see all three worksheet, and even I don't have to switch between tab, right? So try your Excel sheet and comment if you help with my video, right? So guys, isn't it a good hack? Whether you are working on a complex project or a smaller task, that will help you, right? So this feature can help you stay organized and productive. So guys, thanks for watching.